In this picture, there are 5 differences between the picture on the left and the picture on the right. These girls are at the beach. Let's look to see if we can find the differences between the 2 pictures. In the picture on the left, this little girl is wearing a bathing suit. The top is orange and the bottom is pink. In the picture on the right, the bathing suit has 3 horizontal stripes. She has 3 stripes on her bathing suit in the picture on the right. So that is one difference between the picture on the left and the picture on the right. Her friend has a bathing suit that has polka dots. The polka dots in this picture are pink. In the picture on the right, the polka dots are purple. The polka dots in the picture on the right are a different color than the polka dots in the picture on the left. The same girl, this girl right here, in this picture on the left, she's wearing pink sandals. In the picture on the right, she is wearing purple sandals. Her sandals are different colors. In the picture on the left, there is the sun in the sky. The sun is high up in the sky. In the picture on the right, the sun is lower in the sky. So the sun is in a different position in the picture on the right. There's something else in the sky in these pictures. In the picture on the left, there is a hot air balloon high in the sky. This hot air balloon is blue, yellow, red, and green. In the picture on the right, the hot air balloon is different colors. The hot air balloon in the picture on the right is purple, yellow, and pink. So this balloon is different colors than the balloon on the left. In the picture on the left, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sea turtles. In the picture on the right, there are 1, 2, 3 sea turtles. So there are fewer sea turtles. There are not as many sea turtles in the picture on the right, because the picture on the left has 4 and the picture on the right only has 3.